it up, turn 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 it up.
Just woke up, showered.
Just woke up.
He's taking her meds. We're getting ready, and it's early, 7:30. So I'm about to find some food, and we'll see you guys at the Geobotanical Reserve.
Cut that out.
No. Nothing's open right now, so where are we off to?
McDonald's.
Also, one thing we noticed, there's a lot of f***ing dealerships here.
Yeah.
Like, they're everywhere. No idea why. Must be a high demand for cars.
It's pretty nice out.
Yeah, it's like
It's a little cold, but
it's like in the fall when it's sunny out. That's kind of what it's like today. Oh,
it'll probably get hotter.
yeah, we're hoping to be up to this. It's called Pululahua.
Is that an onion?
That is an onion. We talked to our journalist friend from the airplane, and he said that it is a volcano. I was not aware that it was a volcano. We'll see you at the place.
They don't know me. I was sad, I'm with the game with a 40. In that rope, set me up, now soulless. Bands on me, they the oldest sins. Yeah, we serotonin. Go before they kill, we got soldiers. We got Glocks, and they always loaded. Off the grid, I'm going ghost, bitch, I'm going missing. Young nigga made 100 bands in the basement. She be talking about I'm over it, I hate niggas. Left at home red, I ain't playing with you, damn. My niggas 20 bands and I ran with it. Ran shit up, now they calling me like damn nigga. I say that nigga up with the birds. Pour me a cup and they got these hoes slurry. We in the trap, I ain't got no service. Spin back, hit a donut, hit a circle. God, this whole jumping, we gon' turn up.
Well, we just made it to the Geobotanical Garden, and this place is pretty beautiful. Outside of, well, I don't know, we have quite the Uber experience here. Allegedly, I put the wrong address in the Uber. I don't know. I disagree, but we're here now. If this isn't a view and a half, I don't know what is. Wow. We're gonna try and do this trail. There's some stairs here going down. So, let's see how this goes. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So grateful to be here. I mean, to see this with my own eyes. It's getting a little more rugged as we go down here. But, I mean, I just don't know how much more beautiful of landscapes you can get than this. We are making our way to this little bench here, trying to not fall. Oh. Yeah, maybe the steps were a good idea. We had made it to the bench. We are continuing onward. We've decided to swap roles. Haley now has the backpack on, and I am the lucky one without it. I think she's going back up. Now we start our treacherous hike back up this beautiful, beautiful landscape. because in person, it is insane. So, I hope it looks good on camera. I think the altitude is getting to Haley. Me myself too. A tad bit out of breath. So, I'll see how the rest of this goes. Yeah, this is a bit exhilarating, if I do say so myself. But it's worth it. Just made it back to the top. Now we're gonna go to the middle of the world, going to the equator. So, see you guys there. Haley made a friend. I have no service up here, so we're gonna walk.
Can we go to this? The temple?
I don't see why not.
Hi, puppy.
Got some service, and now we are waiting for our Uber on the side of the road.
Shot glass, sipping on bourbon. Hey, show young nigga been swerving, yeah. Stepping down in that Prada, running that Sonata.
We have made it to the equator. It's right there, that big statue. Very exciting stuff. We just crossed the equator. A little yellow line over there.
We've definitely crossed it.
Yeah, but we're here now. So, we made it. My beautiful girlfriend. It's a little underwhelming. I don't know.
It's underwhelming me.
Like it's not as. Hey, it's cool. But it's just like a line.
You can't see the equator.
Yeah, I don't know. It's cool though. It's a freaking big ass statue thing though. We're gonna go inside.
How many people can say that they've been to the middle of the world?
Technically, the middle of the world is off the coast of Ghana. Point Nemo.
How many people can say that they've been at 0, 0?
We're not at 0, 0.
He literally said.
We're at 0 latitude,
Yes. 0, 0, 0.
but longitude.
Shut up.
We're on the equator. We're walking on it currently. We're walking up to the top of the statue thing. There's a little room in here, which leads to more stairs. See, we're at the top. We just walked up here. I thought that was a real person. We are. This isn't even. This has got to be Ecuador before a certain time. That's me to Haley. We're looking at some animals that
There's penguins on the Galapagos?
live on the Galapagos Islands.
Blue-footed booby.
Where do you see that?
Blue-footed booby.
One thing I've noticed about all Ecuadorian sharks, they're super nice. Oh my god. We made it. Wow. Holy. Look at that. Alright, I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we'll figure it out. Here we are. So we've already done a bunch of stuff, like all that we had planned for the day. Oh, by the way, we're walking on different hemispheres currently. It's only 10:30, so we're gonna try and figure out what to do with the rest of our day.
We're going to the chocolate museum because there's a chocolate museum. And we're still at the middle of the world, or whatever this is. To the chocolate museum we go. There it is, right there.
Is it open?
The doors are open. Chocolate museum. We learn about cocoa beans.
That's cool. Sure, I will.
See, these are the things that the cocoa beans come out of.
Cacao.
Why are you here?
You're here because of me. That argument got shut down real fast. We're gonna go learn about the cacao process. Right, Haley? You excited?
I am. Maybe we get some.
Maybe we can get some chocolate. Haley is learning about the cacao process.
That was used to open cacao.
Look at all these cacao beans. You enjoying this?
I am.
It's interesting they have a chocolate beer.
Maybe there's some in there.
Maybe we can go get some. Okay, we are getting some of the chocolate beer here. Yeah, we can sit. Oh, yeah, whatever is fine, yeah.
We call the Amazon area and the Andes. Do you want to try a chocolate? We got some chocolate bar you can try.
For free?
Yeah.
Sure, we'll, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
We can try some chocolate.
When sugar, not sugar, medium, how can I help you?
It doesn't.
Sugar's
Anything
good.
is fine. Yeah, all is
Okay.
good. We're gonna try this chocolate beer here
Give
too.
it a 78. Give it a 78% cacao
Okay.
from Esmeralda in the coast. And this chocolate in particular win the best chocolate in the world 222 in Paris. 222, 221.
Wow, that's really good. Well, thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, that is really good. Like, you got some glasses here. We'll have a little. I know, I thought so too.
Beautiful province, a beautiful sector of the Amazon, the Yasuni.
This one's from the Amazon. After you.
Is 65%
Oh, wow. That's really good.
when salt and coffee mix.
Wow, that's really good. I guess we're getting the luxury experience here with
This
our.
is green mango when
chocolate.
salt.
Ooh.
Oh wow, 100%.
Thank you.
What is it? What'd you say it was again?
Green mango when salt.
Okay.
Hello. Hi, welcome
definitely
to the
mango.
Cacao.
I like that.
It's definitely mango in there. That's really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's really good.
No, this is
Give it a whiff.
Does
Does it smell good?
No.
100%.
Doesn't smell good, I guess. Here, I'll try it.
This is 100%.
Yeah.
No sugar.
Tastes a hell of a lot better than it
It's only
smells.
cacao. It's very, very strong.
¿Es dulce o no?
No.
Oh.
No, sugar, nothing. This is only cacao.
I think it's good. I think it's good. It is a porter beer.
Do you want to try 100%? It's very,
Sure.
very strong.
Sure, let's try it.
100% chocolate.
Oh, it's the mango con sal. Look at that one.
Thank you.
You're filming everything?
Bro, this guy asks me if I'm filming everything, like it's a problem or something. Yeah, like I am. What about it? I mean, we ended up talking to him a little bit after. I don't know if I mentioned it. And he said that he was some, like, food scientist or something. But bro, stay in your lane, please. Yes, I am filming everything.
Sure.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Was not lying. It's so good. Just had a nice conversation with an Irish man. Good to speak English to someone. Irish and German. I'm gonna be honest with you. This beer is 6%. I'm a little buzzed on accident. I didn't expect to be.
We're going to see alpacas.
If they have any.
They do. I saw signs.
Okay.
It's a petting zoo.
Haley really wants to go see alpacas.
You don't have those in the U.S.
Maybe
Well, they do at zoos, but like,
this is a petting zoo.
shut up. But they're native here.
Yeah, true. They're llamas. They're llamas.
Oh,
okay.
they're llamas.
Oh, they're llamas.
You did them. What? He's mine now.
Hello. Hola. Hola. Hola.
It's a llama. This guy's just chilling over here. Oh, he looked. He is locked in on that food. Just chilling here with some llamas.
Take a Minecraft when they spit at you.
It looks like Squid
I
Games.
think you're weird recording their children playing.
Oops. Just looks like Squid Games. That was a fun side quest. What'd you think? My beautiful girlfriend and some beautiful scenery.
Is this a giant capybara?
Go sit by it. What even is that?
Oh.
We have stumbled into a church. Somehow. We got back to the hotel a little while ago. Just ate some snacks. Laying down. We don't really know what to do with our day. But, yeah. We totally just slept for like the last 4 hours. It's like 5:30 and Haley wants authentic food. So I don't know where we're gonna go to find like street stand or something. But yeah. We'll see. Just walked out of our hotel. It's about 3-minute walk. Well, it's a minute now. It was 3 minutes in there. I think I see it already. I think it's right there. So it is Tunisian food. try. We have arrived to dinner. Our food, I got like a burger taco thing. Haley got a salad. It was so good.
Hayden doesn't like this. It was really good. Really good. Wait,
Not a big salad guy.
cucumber.
I need to shit already. And we just finished eating.
Demolished.
Success. Dinner is done. Watch out. First time with the camera in super night. Looks like it's day out. I don't know, we just
Dinner
had
was
some
$15.
$15 for that dinner. It was really good. We're gonna go head to the grocery store real quick. We're almost out of water already. So we're gonna go get some more water. So earlier today when we were in an Uber back from the middle of the world, the gentleman's car was not very legal to be an Uber driver. And there was no problems with him being an Uber driver. The car just wasn't very legal. Yeah. Currently on our way to the grocery store. We'll be back. Water secured. We are headed back to the hotel now. Gonna hunker down for the night. We don't really have much set in stone for tomorrow. All I know is that we're going around Quito. Hot Springs maybe. We're going to the big church here. So, pretty light day tomorrow. And then on Friday, we got Cotopaxi. It's starting to rain, so see you guys back at the hotel. Back at the hotel. Probably just gonna go to bed here. So.
Already?
Well, not now, but we won't be recording anything else tonight. So, see you guys tomorrow morning.
I just woke up.
Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's a little shorter than the last one. It's fine. I'm probably going to make the videos be like a day-by-day thing. Or like June 11th, June 12th, 13th, 14th, so on and so forth, unless some days just don't have enough. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that video because it took a lot of time, money, and effort. I'm going to explain here quick. So the other day, like right after I uploaded that, I started working on the second video, the one that you're watching right now. Or just finished watching, hopefully. And I got this hard drive right here from my brother. And I was working on getting rid of the footage or anything that was on that hard drive before. And Windows Disk Management doesn't really have the best naming conventions for the drives that you're working on. And then I ended up deleting everything off of the SD card here. So I lost all the footage that you guys just watched. Like, I lost all of it. It was gone. I had to spend $70 on a data recovery software program. I had to work with a coworker. I mean, I had to do a bunch of stuff to get all this footage back. And now it's on this hard drive that I bought yesterday. It's on this hard drive, and it's on my computer. So all the footage is stored in 3 different locations. So there should be no more issues or hiccups with these videos. Just a matter of editing them and getting them out. But I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It took a lot to get this footage back. And yeah, there's officially more to come, and there will always be more to come. So yeah, thanks for watching.